Hello guys and welcome back. Today I'll show you how to use the Fortnite XP glitch. Firstly, start by joining a game hosted by your alternate account or a friend's account. Ensure the alternate or friend account remains in the game without leaving. Stay in the game long enough to meet the required time to finish the specific quest tied to the glitch. Now, return to the lobby while staying in the party with the alternate or friend account. Once back in the lobby, join the same game session again. Exit the game session a second time, and keep repeating the steps like joining, leaving, then rejoining, until the glitch activates or it exploited for the desired results. You need to make sure of coordination, timing, and be aware of consequences. And that's it guys. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.